In this tutorial I want to show you how to get discount vouchers from Amazon Associates Partner Program. You can use these vouchers to put on your website or share on any social media platform you like. First, log into your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. On featured promotions you can get pictured ads with discounts for Amazon's own products like Amazon Kindle or Amazon Fire TV Stick. Here you can get some HTML snippets with Amazon offers for your website. Click on the Amazon promo codes banner to get to the overview site with all voucher codes. Every available code is listed on the site and we will get updated on a regular basis. As an example, we will proceed to the beauty discount page. To create an affiliate link you have to click on text at the top. This bar called Side Stripe will add your affiliate tag to the link of this page. Now you can earn affiliate fees on referred purchases from your website visitors or customers. Just put this newly generated link on your blog or website. That's it. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.